Grab a clean glass jar, make sure it's heat resistant. Now, take a piece of galvanized wire and bend both ends into a hook shape, just like you see on the screen. Be sure the bends are even and secure, so the wire can rest perfectly on the rim of the jar without slipping. Once you've confirmed it fits well, grab a small piece of cotton wool and shape it gently into a cone using your fingers. This will act as the wick. Place the cotton cone right in the middle of the bent wire, allowing the hooks to hold it tightly like a clamp. Make sure it hangs straight down into the center of the glass jar for balance. Now, slowly pour regular cooking oil into the jar until it's a little over the cotton at the button. Check that the tip of the cotton wool is touching the oil so it can soak up the liquid properly. Now light the top of the cotton. You've just made a long-lasting oil candle that burns steadily, giving off a cozy glow, perfect for emergencies, power outages, or creating a warm, calm atmosphere at home.
Never throw away orange peels again because it will help you keep your whole house smelling fresh and bug-free. Many people think store air fresheners work better because they smell strong, but most of that is just pricey chemicals that might make you sick. This one is safe, affordable, and you can make it in minutes with ingredients you already have at home. Start with a clean container. Add the peels from one orange. Add 50 milliliters of vinegar. Now comes the part that makes all the difference. Pour in 50 milliliters of alcohol and 50 milliliters of liquid soap. Fill the rest with water. Close the lid and shake it well with your hands until everything mixes together. You'll notice the scent right away. Let it rest for an hour and then pour it into a spray bottle and use it anywhere. Spray it on your counter or living room. The alcohol disinfects. The vinegar cuts grease, and the orange oils leave a natural shine and repel insects. Your whole house will stay clean and smell wonderful for days.
Mix Vaseline and oregano before going to bed, and you'll get rid of toenail fungus for good. I'll show you exactly why it works when other treatments have failed. Oregano contains carvacrol, a compound that destroys fungal cells at a molecular level. And Vaseline not only moisturizes, it creates a barrier that traps the carvacrol against your nail for hours. Dealing with toenail fungus is annoying and embarrassing, and it can even affect your self-esteem. Here's what you need. Take a small bowl and add a tablespoon of Vaseline. This is key because it protects and softens the skin. Now add a half a hand of dried oregano, which has been proven effective against Candida and Trichophyton, the fungi that cause nail infections with 80% effectiveness in laboratory tests. Mix them well until you have a smooth, even paste. Apply this mixture to clean, dry nails before going to bed, making sure to cover the entire nail and cuticle. And here's the crucial step. Put on socks after applying it. It's not just to avoid staining your sheets. The socks create constant pressure that forces the carvacrol deep into the infection. Without this step, you lose 50% of the effectiveness. Do this for 5 nights in a row. By the 5th night, your nail will look completely different and the natural color will be returning. Many folks struggle with a dull knife when they need it most. Cutting fruits and vegetables become a fight. But there's a way to bring that blade back to life in seconds, using nothing more than your lighter. Take a closer look at the spark wheel on top. Those small ridges that create the flame are made from hard steel, and they work just like a mini sharpening stone. Hold the lighter steady in one hand. Set the knife edge at a small angle against the wheel. With light, steady strokes, slide the blade across the ridges from base to tip about 5 to 10 times, then flip it over and repeat on the other side. The ridged steel gently files the metal, creating a quick new edge. It won't make your knife razor sharp, but it's perfect when you need a fast fix outdoors or at home. In just a few strokes, your knife feels sharper and ready for cutting. Now, let's test it with a tomato. As you can see, it's cutting really well, like if it was almost new. Cleaning cobwebs and dust from high corners is often tricky and tiring. There's a simple, safe, and surprisingly effective way to remove cobwebs and dust from high spots without climbing or risking a fall. Take a clean microfiber towel and an ordinary broom. Wrap the towel tightly around the bristles, making sure it fully covers them. Secure it with a few clothespins or rubber bands so it stays firmly in place while you clean. Then, spray a generous amount of air freshener directly onto the towel. Now, use the broom to gently reach ceilings, corners, and light fixtures where cobwebs and dust tend to gather. Move slowly and carefully to avoid scratching the walls or hitting delicate covers. The microfiber towel's texture traps dust and webs with ease, while the air freshener helps loosen and capture stubborn particles that cling to the surface. Check the amount of debris that was caught by the towel. You'll see even the highest, hardest to reach corners sparkle,